see what they got on that menu.
Okay, bro.
Cause I don't know, I'm looking at the menu, cuz. What you finna get?
I'm gonna get some real.
You finna get you some real?
$100.
That menu look good.
Real, yeah. You know, I got some grandma fried chicken, right? You got some grandma fried chicken, folks?
Let me try it. Let me try it. So you got some grandma fried chicken?
Oh, shit, cool. I'm ready. I'm ready.
My mouth already. Ooh, my mouth got looped in.
You sure did. Your mouth got lukewarm in, cool. Oh, shit, cool.
Give me a little piece.
Look at that chicken. Oh, my goodness. Give me a piece, cool. Oh, I so do appreciate it. Damn, cool. He didn't even say great.
Shit, this it.
That's
Great.
it. That's it, cool.
Hell
It's
yeah,
good.
Hey.
Ooh, let me tell you. Oh, yeah, cool.
What else you got?
I got ribs, pork chops, steak. I got the best pork steak in the city now.
Oh, shit. Best in the
Real,
city.
real.
You want real plate?
Real plate.
Cool. I thought you had no money, though, cool. All right. Cool. This chicken good as hell, too, cool. Damn, he fast, too, cool. Oh, shit, cool.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, give me a piece. Ooh. Oh, shit, cool. They look good. But then it just come off the bone. Cool, what you want? You pay for it, cool.
Come on.
Okay. You got a bit of paper now. You got cash or card?
I already paid.
Yeah.
You pay cash, card, EBT, SNAP.
Cash. It was cash.
You pay cash.
Shit. Hands up.
He paid already.
You paid?
Yeah.
Well, you paid me no attention.
Huh? He paid you cash.
I already
You
paid.
paid me cash.
I already paid. I ain't been back and
Oh,
forth with
shit.
that. We got to go all back and forth. I paid for it.
I gave you some free ticket. Like you eat the real for free.
Good, too.
The plate ain't free, it come with a fee.
Oh,
It ain't
shit,
free,
cool.
it come with a fee, Pop. You alright?
Cool,
You put
what?
another one back on here?
Put a number on there. It's gonna be 25.
I already gave you.
Damn,
You
Cole.
ain't gave me no money now. Hold up,
Cole, what you gonna do, Cole? Oh, shit, Cole. He said, why he ain't coming, Cole? Come on, let go. Let go.